This video I'm showing you how to let others share your Instagram post on their story. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bring solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So if you want to let someone to post your post on their story, simply open your Instagram app, then log in into your account. After that, tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner, and from here it will open up your profile page. From here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, then open the settings. From here you have to navigate to the privacy, and then here in the interactions tab you can see the middle button option, a story. Simply tap on that, and from here scroll down to the sharing tab in the very bottom, and here you can find the option allow sharing to a story. It is saying that other people can add your feed posts and IGTV videos to their stories. Your username will always be shown with your post. So as long as this you can see that allows sharing to a story, the first option, and in the right side of that is this toggle button. So you have to simply toggle this button on, and as long as it turns blue, you other people can share your posts and IGTV videos to their story. So that's how you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.